Hi, I'm Diana of Crooked Little Studio with another Quick Tip Tuesday. I have been asked recently about paint storage. I had the name. I should have written it down. I failed to, and now I cannot find it. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you a corner of my very recently tidied studio. So here is the space where I work. You can see I've got lots of things around me so that they are close by. And here are my paints. I have them kind of, you can see the yellows are here and then oranges into reds, kind of in color wheel order there. Oh, sorry, that was Nugget. And over here I have my whites, my neutral grays and neutrals. And then these are kind of a holding area. Some of them that are just almost completely empty that I'm going to get emptied out and so I can throw away those tubes, and some of the man Nugget she's causing havoc today. Some new ones that are ready to replace some of the other ones. So that's my paint storage. I'm going to show you these next. This is one of the boxes that my husband had his acrylic paints in when I borrowed them from him. They're kind of mine now. It has, and I think he got this at Michael's or possibly Hobby Lobby. I'm not even really sure. It's for washi tape storage. I can't find these anywhere anymore. But it had 4 of these bins in it, and they stacked, and he kept 1 tube of paint in each one. I took the bins out or the little segmented parts out and just piled them all in there because you can put more paint in that way. He's more organized than I am. Yeah, so these were perfect. They were just kind of stacked up for a little while, and I had a workshop that I needed to have the paint out where everybody could see the paints, the colors and everything, and I just used those because it kind of put them all in a line and had them, I could keep them upright that way. And so it evolved over time, and now I do it like this back there so that they're all right here, right next to me. I can reach down and get them, reach over and get them as soon as the color gods give them to me. I know right where to find them. All right, have a great day. I'll see you next time.